Hi everyone, it's Justine here from House of Mahalo. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm just popping on to do a flip through of this little mini journal that we've been making together all this month. So as I mentioned in the videos, this is a giveaway prize for those who've crafted along with me. In the Facebook group, if people have crafted along, made their own mini journals and shared the different stages of making the journal in the Facebook group, then their names have gone into a giveaway draw to win this little beauty. But for those who've been just following along on the videos and everything, I thought you might like to see, the finished result. So this is the journal, and it's going to come with this little pack of goodies, which I'm going to keep a surprise for the person who wins it, but there's a few special things in there. Okay, so here's the journal. I made it from a Strepsils cough drop box, and we did the whole process together. There was just a few things I did off screen, but most of it was together. So we've got lovely pink and purple fabric, which was just a little bit of a scrap that I had left. And I chose my closure. I just went with this very simple pink ribbon. It is glued onto the cover in places, so I've got it glued underneath this crochet trim along the spine, and I've glued it along the back, so it doesn't come off. But on the front, it's just tucked under the book plate, and I thought that looked just fine, because I was umming and ahhing about that. And then along the spine, I made this little dangle. From a ball chain, we've got some beads and a leaf charm, a key, a sapphire, and some pearls. Ooh, there we go. All right, let's have a look inside. So we've got two mini signatures, and we've got a pocket in the front just here for this card, which I've just put a butterfly sticker on, and you can write on it front and back. Here we go, and that just peeks out so you can see the butterfly. So we've got some wallpaper, colouring book page, lots of different scraps, faux tea-dyed paper, all sorts in here. We've got a belly band and this little love card for writing on. Some Edith Holden. We've got this little brown envelope with a sticker. Oh no, that was from a book actually, wasn't it? And we've just got this little note paper for writing on, tucked inside. I tried to keep the embellishments simple. We've got another piece here from, this was from a scrapbooking pad. So yeah, I tried to keep this one quite simple, just like stickers and little pieces. And also I was just trying to use up different things I had in my stash. I don't know if you can see, I've got some glitzy mist spray on that page. So yeah, this was really, really fun to put together. I love mini journals. Just got a stamp and a detail there, and a little pocket here for a sticker, which you could technically write on, but the idea was that someone can use it in the journal. This is just paper clipped in. So this was something I made, I think when I very first started junk journaling actually. So I believe it was from a calendar, and what I did was I ripped the image in half. So what you get is, if you flip that up, you see the girl watching the sunset sort of thing, like it goes together like the mountain and everything, and it's just a journaling spot, and yeah, journaling spot on the back there. But yeah, I made that way back when. So I've just got that clipped in, so I'll just pop that back in. There we go. Oh, I've got some vellum tickets and things. These are just from my stash, which someone can use in the their own embellishments or in a different journal. Plenty of space to write as well. Just got a little bit of an embellishment there with the sticker and this "Be You Bravely." I just put a little bit of a happy thoughts on here. This was the other side of the envelope, so space to write on the back, and then of course you could write little notes here, maybe your happy thoughts. I've managed to get a couple of fabric flips in with the leftovers from making the cover. So this one lifts up to see this flower and the word blossom, and of course the rest of the Edith Holden. Just got a little bit of embellishments there. Bit of embellishments again. Oh yes, this was fun. That was to so that was to cover up my brad legs. So I've got this little like flip up piece, so you can, you know, make notes and colour in stuff underneath, and then on the back of it is for secret note taking. And it's just a tag from a scrapbooking kit, and yeah, I think that's really, really fun. Sorry, I'm a bit fingers and thumbs today, I don't know why. And then in the middle I've got a removable ephemera holder that we made in part 4, so I'll open that up in a second. We'll just carry on the flip through. So the second signature is much the same, just with slightly different embellishments, and paper bag rather than an envelope, but the same decoration on it. This fabric flip, and this is a fussy cut washi and a little number. So yeah, I tried to keep the bulk down. This I made in Tina's Mass Makes, and I just thought colours wise and size wise it was perfect, so popped that in. And we've got an oracle card that Cheryl Talifus sent me. And it says surprises, venture down the rabbit hole, because really this journal is, you know, quite lots of surprises and lots of things to just find and use, and yeah, little sticker and sunshine. I put one of my cat paper clips in, again from Tina's Mass Makes. I had fun making those, and then I've just got a couple of vintage tickets tucked in the back. Just a little bit of a sticker and believe in yourself, Tim Holtz word there. It was fun actually to work with, you know, different colours, and well, I suppose pink and purple, I use that a lot. Just got a side tuck in here with one of my scraps, and we've got just a couple of journaling spots, or you could use these as embellishments and pieces of ephemera. Oh, this was fun. So I made a little, I cut this from a book and I made it into a little tuck spot. So I glued it onto some book page to strengthen it, and then added this Tim Holtz word, live, create, tell the story. And then that's got to be the world's teeniest little tag. Not terribly practical, but you could write a couple of notes on there. And then I've just got a stamp and a Tim Holtz ephemera piece. I just thought that was so cute. I mean, look at that. Isn't that adorable? Love it. Again, same sort of thing on the paper bag. And in here I've put quite a few things. We've got a couple of cigarette cards. These are from the royal family, the Reign of King George V series. So this would be the Queen in her younger days with her dad. We've got a piece of ephemera here. I've got a button card for writing on, and I've got another piece of ephemera here, just a journal spot. There we are. In the back here I've added this little tuck spot that says, I take care of my flowers and my cats, and that's living. And then we've just got a dream big card in there for journaling on. Sticker and the word nurture. And then I've just put a little thingamabob there, and then same sort of deal, I've got a butterfly sticker on the card in the back. So that's the signatures, or the journal pages. And then, as I say, tucked in the middle, this is removable. We made this on video. I used 3 mini envelopes to make this, and then we've just got a few embellishments on the front. We've got a bit of a writing spot there. And then tucked inside, I've got a whole bunch of different things. I've got some things to write on, tags and stuff. I've got stickers and vellum pieces and all different things someone can use in the journal. Another thing to write on or use as an embellishment piece. And then I've managed to get 2 tags in these back pockets. So this is the tag in that one. And the same sort of thing in the other side. Oh, more fingers and thumbs, there we go. Just a different sticker, a rose this time. So I wanted to keep the bulk down because they're not, you know, they're not gusseted pockets, but they're, you know, they're ample. They go all the way down those back ones, so plenty of space. And then in the back, I managed to get this belly band in. We did this in the video, and another Tim Holtz sticker with some lace. And then I thought this was really fun. I made a tag. So this tag was from a paper pad, but it said something like, you know, happy birthday or thinking of you in the middle. So I cut a piece of my scraps to cover that, and then I added this sticker So this is your free cinema pass. There you go, that comes with the journal. I just thought that was really, really silly and fun. So yeah, as I mentioned, this one doesn't really have a theme as such. I mean, I used botanicals and butterflies like I normally do, absolutely. But that was kind of it. Like, I didn't tell myself it has to be pink, it has to be purple necessarily. I kind of did, kind of didn't, you know, I just kind of went with it. I went with the flow, and I just stuck stickers in that didn't really make sense, and they were just kind of random pages, and just, yeah, a lot of randomness in this one. But actually it was really fun. I don't normally do eclectic journals as such, and some people might not even say this is eclectic at all. To me it is, because as I say, I was just free creating it. I didn't want to stick to a particular theme. I just wanted it to be a hodgepodge of stuff that would just be really fun for someone to, you know, to look through and have, and for me to play with actually as well. Right, so that's that. That's your lot. That is the journal. As I say, this one is a giveaway prize with this little pack of goodies. So for those of you who are entered into the giveaway, best of luck. I can't wait to see who I'm sending this one out to. And I hope you've enjoyed seeing this little cutie come together, for those of you who've watched the series. Thank you to those of you who've watched. This was my first, well, it's my first mini that I've made on video. It's not my first mini, but it's my first one I've done on video. And actually it's the first journal that I feel like I've made, you know, really start to finish. I mean, apart from a few embellishments and just a few finishing touches, I did the whole thing on video, which was new for me. It was a bit scary, but I think it came together really well, and I hope you've enjoyed watching. I certainly enjoyed making it. So thank you so much. That's all from me. So best of luck to whoever wins this, and I shall be back, I suppose, in a few days. I'm sure I've put a date in the Facebook group as to when I'm going to announce the winner, but I'll be back in a few days to announce who this is going to. So thank you ever so much, everyone. We'll speak soon. Bye-bye for now.